I just came back from 7 days of beach vacation. After I swam in the pool several times, my treatment faded a little bit. Still straighter than the other side, but shine went away a little bit. I was wondering if the salt water and pool chemical fed this treatment faster. So I asked the company about aftercare tips. Here is some tips what I want to share with you.
Tip number 1. Use sulfate-free and paraben-free products. The Marina Mineral Shampoo and Artego Rain Shampoo fit the bill. The Marina Classic Mineral Shampoo is a 100% vegan, gentle daily shampoo for all hair types, looking for maintenance and defreezing benefit. Marina Classic Mineral Conditioner makes your hair softer and stronger with each use.
I am trying classic mineral mask on my hair. Let's see how it works. This side I have smoothing down before. This is my natural hair.
Tip number 2. Marina Mineral Mask once a week deep treatment. Extend the life of treatment. After shampooing, apply to damp hair once a week and distribute evenly. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. The mask is 100% vegan and rich with plant-based ingredients such as shea butter, argan oil, and acai to deliver powerful humectants, vitamins and antioxidants deep into the shaft, leaving hair healthy, strong, and silky to touch. Tamarind powder helps to smooth and shield the cuticle, vanishing static and imparting amazing shine.
After 5 minutes, rinse.
Tip number 3. Use a Marina hair protector before swimming in the ocean or pool. Sun and salt water will open the cuticle, so treatment will fade out faster. However, using the hair protector before swimming to prevent that from happening, preferably apply to damp hair, but it's okay to apply to dry hair.
After using the mineral mask, my hair feels soft again. The left side of my hair, I had the smoothing done 15 days ago. Feel like a first day of the smoothing. And the other side of my hair, which is natural hair, it is so soft. And I think it feels a bit straighter than before. And very smooth. This is how my hair looks 45 days later. This side I have smoothing down, and this is my natural hair. I'm using the mineral shampoo, but sometimes my hair gets oily in the summer, so I combine it with anti-sebum shampoo sometimes. Anti-sebum shampoo fades smoothing, but each time I use a mineral mask after using it. Also, I've been using a mineral mask every time when I go to swim. The mask is amazing, which hydrates, brings hair back to life, helps defreeze and protect from humidity. And my hair is in the best condition ever. I really love this mask, not only after smoothing, any frizzy hair too. When you care your hair correctly, vegan smoothing will last average of 3 months, up to 5 months. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Feel beautiful.